Here are the 5 ways that you can continue to grow with push-ups. I recommend you to start doing these things that I'm about to tell you after you can do around 20 to 30 reps of regular push-ups. If you can't do that many, then I recommend you, what I've personally done when I was just starting off, is I would do 1 set in the morning, like till failure, as much as I can do them, and 1 set before sleep, like 1 set until failure. So basically you will build enough strength to do 20 to 30 in like 3 weeks. It's super easy and you'll get some mass too, and you'll feel your first bump. So the first variation is where you put your bag on your back, put books in the bag or whatever you have in the house, but make sure you put a lot of it so you can do 10 or less reps. So as you can see here now, I'm putting random stuff and continuing to do with more weight on my back. So this is the second variation. These are explosive push-ups. With these, focus on exploding on the way up and go slowly on the way down for more time under tension on your muscle, which is essential for muscle growth. And after some time, you'll build enough strength to do these clapping push-ups, which are great for building explosive power. These are incline push-ups. They're great because they do more of your upper chest area, so you'll be overloading the upper part of your chest, because regular push-ups do more of your middle and lower chest area. Plus, because your feet are higher, you'll be putting more weight on your chest than on regular push-ups. These are from the waist push-ups. With these, you have to progress slowly. You can't put your hands under your hips right away. You have to work your way up and like build strength like this. First go from regular push-ups, then put your hands lower, then do like 10 push-ups with those. When you can do 10 push-ups with those, you'll be able to do a few with this, and then just work your way up and you'll get stronger and stronger. Now when it comes to these one-hand push-ups, this is an advanced move. Even I'm having a hard time doing these, but the reason this week I can actually do like 7 reps with one hand on my right is because I did all of these exercises before and I'm weak as shit on this one. I basically failed really hard, especially with my left. My left hand is really weak, but you have to make sure you control that and don't get super stronger on one hand and on the other. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like button, and if you want more content, fitness content like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel to support me, because it will help a lot. And see you next video. Peace.